Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Clearly, it's raining and it's low 40s outside, which is actually perfect for training. You know, whatever bad's happening is probably gonna happen at a really shitty time, and this is pretty shitty weather. So let's go ahead and jump into this thing. So I'm gonna do a drill, same drill as before. Last drill I did was the 1R1 reload, one shot, one reload, one shot. I did it from the standing position on a paper target at 7 yards with a pistol. Very basic drill, but it encompasses all skills. So I decided to move it up a notch. I'm still going to use the same gear as before. One rifle, one magazine, one rifle, two magazines, one in my back pocket I'm going to put in, and then another one right here on my hip. Of course, I still have my shot timer. Difference to this drill is going to be, I'm going to stand here on the buzzer. I'm going to move to here. I'm going to take a knee. I'm going to barricade, shoot. Now I need to reload. Come back, reload, come back in, re-engage target, shoot. I want to do this as fast as I can, but also accurately. Hopefully we'll be able to do this. I don't know. Bad as the weather is, this is going to be kind of miserable. Oh yeah, this goes out to all my early GWAT vets. If you wore M81, you probably drank Rip It. Might be immune to the coronavirus too. Let's go ahead and run this drill, because it ain't getting any warmer outside. Not bad, not bad. 9:17. Let's try that one more time. Not bad at all. I like it. Let's do this one more time. Hey, you know, of course, like everything else, your mileage may vary. You may be faster, you may be slower. You may be picking a farther distance than me, or you may not be engaging through the little porthole. You will have to set up your drill for whatever works best for you. I'm not going to tell you what works best for you. I'm just going to tell you that whatever you do, do it the same way. That way you can get a basis. Okay, we'll do it again. Load, make ready. Ten seconds even, so 0.2 of a second slower. So far, 4 rounds. But hey, that was a fun 4 rounds. But clearly some of us has got a little bit more gear than others, so what happens if we take it up one more step? Let's see what happens next. Woo! You know, cold and wet does not mix. But anyway, we're gonna do this again. This time we're gonna run this thing with kit. Running my JPC with my Helikon-tex competition rig that I have integrated to it. I'm gonna do the exact same drill. I just want to see what the difference is. Instead of pulling it out from concealment, just grabbing from here and jerking it out. Get jerking it out. I'm gonna run the exact same drill. Nothing's gonna change. $11.01. I had to slow down because I was like trying to figure out where threw my safety on. All right, let's do it again. Not even. So we've ran this drill what? 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. You could run this drill 2 rounds, 2 rounds, 2 rounds, and essentially you're not really doing anything crazy. You're practicing basic drills, and that's about it. But hey, you know, running it in wet, miserable weather actually can be a good thing. The reason is because you're getting an idea of where you're at skill-wise. I don't really usually run gear with my Gore-Tex on and everything on because I want to be comfortable. So it's actually a good thing to be able to run these just like this. And that being said, we're going to run one more. Except this time we're going to run 4 rounds total. So instead of the 1 R1, it's going to be the 2 R2. Just for the fun of it. $11.01. Not bad. So I got an A zone, by the way. Let's see what it looks like. I'll be right back. All right, see what it looks like. So I measured the A zone as a USPSA target. As you can see, let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All 12. So scoring wise, I'm good. I could go faster because I mean, if I'm hitting like that, if I'm going that slow, clearly I need to up my speed a little bit. Again, that's where practice comes in. Total shots fired for this drill, 12 rounds. So you buy you a box of 20 rounds. What can you do with 20 rounds? That's a good question. Who knows, maybe I'll do a video on just 20 rounds for ARs with drills. It's low round count. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what you've seen, hit that like and subscribe. Make your comments, jokes. I can't wait to read what you got to say about my poor man's kit. And you know, if you like this idea, you think it's a good idea of training the foul weather, let me know. I might do it some more because I mean, clearly I could use it just for work related purposes. All right, cool. I'll see you.